Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Fine Detailing. Thank you so much for joining. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button, share it out, turn on the notification bells. It helps tremendously. As we are testing some unreleased Katiba products, well, at least not released in the US. So I want to see how they come and how they work. So the two that we're testing in today's video, we're just going to test. They've released a wet coat. Here is the new wet coat. Here's the box that you get. Again, super cool design. This is all in Korean, so I know it doesn't really help you there. And then this is what the bottle looks like. Kind of a person with a samurai sword. Super cool, super cool. And then it comes with a measuring cap on the top. It just goes on like that. So we have a few other products here. We also have their wheel coating, which is a spray-on, wipe-off. You spray it into a towel and wipe it off. But in today's video, we're going to talk about the wet coat. We're going to see how that performs. We also have the Katiba sprayer. This is probably the coolest tool I've ever seen. This is the best sprayer. This is the best e-sprayer that I've ever used in my life, full stop. Like, the power of this thing is incredible. So this is actually 2.5 liters. Really cool. So we're going to use this to apply the wet coat. I have 1.5 liters put in here, and it doesn't get much simpler than this, guys. The dilution on this is 1 to 100, I think up to 1 to 200. So you would only do 10 milliliters of product to 1,000 liters, 1,000 milliliters, I should say. So today we have 1.5 liters, so we're going to do 15 milliliters of product, spray it on, rinse it off, and it should create incredible hydrophobics. This product should get you 1 to 2 months. Again, it's like any traditional wet coat. I've seen a lot of them get 4 to 6 weeks. So we'll test it out. This customer is selling this car, so unfortunately I'm not going to have see it come back. But I feel confident with most wet coats, guys. They're like I said, 4 to 6 weeks, you're probably good. But this is just a really great way to add some quick protection to your car, make it much easier to dry. Also, like, that's a super simple reason to put this on. And then we're gonna top it once it's dried. We'll use the tried and true. I like the Katiba Wet Wax. This is my favorite. The signature wax is nice, but Katiba Wet Wax really, really improves that gloss. So this has been my go-to product, and it performs extremely well. So we have a black car, and we're gonna see how it fares. So with that, we'll jump into the video. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, we want to apply this to a wet vehicle. So I've already washed and deconned this, so we're just gonna re-wet it, and then we'll spray it. As you can see, super flat panel. All right, guys, here we go. Simply spray it on. You've got 15 mils of product. All right, it is simply spray on, rinse off. So you can already see the panel, it's hydrophobic. Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah, it adds some slickness to the surface. I like that. It's pretty nice. All right, guys, we are going to finish with Katiba Wet Wax. So you don't need much. So I like to do a wipe on. Buff off. And that's it. Super simple. All right, guys, hopefully that was a short and sweet video for you. Thanks for sticking around. Just quick final thoughts. This spray and rinse sealant could not be easier. 100 to 1, this bottle will last literally forever. I did 15 mils in 1500 milliliters, used pretty much all this for the whole truck. I would advise doing sections, do like half the truck or half the car, spray it and rinse immediately. That's all you need to do. I didn't see any streaking on here, but I was in the sun, so you just want to be mindful of that in the sunny areas. Do smaller sections. But let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you want to see this Katiba Wet Coat in the States. I think it's a super valuable product. They really focus on protection, and I think, again, they nailed it with this. Topped it with wet wax, and I'll show you the truck. There's just incredible gloss. I didn't have to polish it. I didn't clay it. It was just a simple maintenance wash, but added this product on there just to basically make drying easier. The last thought I like about this is that it actually left the surface feeling smoother. There's a lot of spray on rinse off sealants that really, you can't really tell. So this and like the Built Hamber Touch On, you can actually feel the surface is a little bit silkier, if you will. So I really appreciate that about that. So thank you again for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, all.